पीछे। चुनरी के नीचे क्या है, चुनरी के नीचे
ओ चोली में दिल है मेरा, चुनरी में दिल है मेरा, चोली में दिल है मेरा, चुनरी में दिल है मेरा। ये दिल मैं दूंगी मेरे यार को, प्यार को। चोली में दिल है मेरा, चुनरी में दिल है मेरा, चोली में दिल है मेरा, चुनरी में दिल है मेरा। दिल है मेरा, दिल है मेरा, दिल है मेरा, दिल है मेरा, चोली में दिल है मेरा, चुनरी में दिल है मेरा, चोली में दिल है मेरा, दिल है मेरा। लामा लामा घूंघट काहे कुंडाला, लामा लामा घूंघट काहे कुंडाला। क्या करे आई कोरी मुंह कहीं काला रे। कानों में बत्तियां करती है सखियां, रात की यारी तूने कैसा घोटाला। छत पे सोया था बहनोई, छत पे सोया था बहनोई, मैं तन्ने समझ के सो गई। मुझको राणा जी माफ करना, गलती मारे से हो गई। मुझको राणा जी माफ करना, गलती मारे से हो गई। छत पे सोया था बहनोई, छत पे सोया था बहनोई, मैं तन्ने समझ के सो गई। मुझको राणा जी माफ करना, गलती मारे से हो गई। मुझको राणा जी माफ करना, गलती मारे से हो गई। हाय बहनोई तो बहनोई ठहरा, क्यों ना पहचाना तूने पिया जी का चेहरा। बहनोई ने ओढ़ रखी थी चादर, रखी थी चादर, रखी थी चादर। मैं समझी के पिया का है बिस्तर, पिया का है बिस्तर, पिया का है बिस्तर। आधे बिस्तर पे वो सोया था, आधे पे मैं भी सो गई। मुझको राणा जी करना, गलती मारे से हो गई। मुझको राणा जी माफ करना, गलती मारे से हो गई। अरे दीपक अटारी पे जलता तो होगा, दीपक अटारी पे जलता तो होगा, छिटकी तो होगी छत पे चंदनिया। अपनों पर आयो नजर ना आयो, भूल कैसे हो गई तुझसे दुल्हनिया रे। भूल हुई मुझसे तो कैसा अचंभा, कैसा अचंभा, कैसा अचंभा। बहनोई भी था पिया जितना लंबा, पिया जितना लंबा, पिया जितना लंबा। चूर थी मैं दिन भर की थपन से, पड़ते ही बिस्तर पे सो गई। मुझको राणा जी माफ करना, गलती मारे से हो गई। मुझको राणा जी माफ करना, गलती मारे से हो गई। सोच रहे थे हम सब जैसा, हाय तूने किया नहीं कुछ भी वैसा। मुखड़े पे तेरे सच का उजाला, रात किया नहीं मुंह तूने काला। हाय देखा देखी दिल मेरे जुड़ गए रे, लेके परदेसी दिल उड़ गए रे। देखा देखी दिल मेरे जुड़ गए रे, लेके परदेसी दिल उड़ गए रे। छम्मा छम्मा हे छम्मा छम्मा, छम्मा छम्मा बाजे रे मेरी पैंजनिया रे। छम्मा छम्मा बाजे रे मेरी पैंजनिया। तेरे पास आओ तेरी सांसों में समाओ राजा, तेरे पास आओ तेरी सांसों में समाओ, तेरी नींदें चुरा लो।
छम्मा छम्मा ए छम्मा छम्मा, छम्मा छम्मा बाजे रे तेरी पैंजनिया।
तेरे पास आओ तेरी सांसों में समाओ राजा, तेरे पास आओ तेरी सांसों में समाओ, तेरी नींदें चुरा लो। छम्मा छम्मा हे छम्मा छम्मा। देखा देखी दिल मेरा जुड़ गया रे, लेके परदेसी दिल उड़ गया रे। जो मारूं मैं ठुमका,
तेरे ठुमके पे हाँ मुंबई पटना मैं हारूं कलकत्ता।
मेरी पतली कमर मेरी तिरछी नजर, मेरी पतली कमर मेरी तिरछी नजर, मेरी चढ़ती जवानी
छम्मा छम्मा ए छम्मा छम्मा
छम्मा छम्मा ए छम्मा छम्मा। तेरे पास आऊं तेरी सांसों में समाऊं राजा, तेरे पास आऊं तेरी सांसों में समाऊं, तेरी नींदें चुरा लूं।
छम्मा छम्मा बाजे रे तेरी पैजनिया।
देखा देखी दिल मेरा जुड़ गया रे, लेके परदेसी दिल उड़ गया रे।
छम्मा छम्मा ए छम्मा 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 ए छम्मा छम्मा।
तेरी नींदें चुरा लूं छम्मा छम्मा।
देखा देखी दिल मेरा जुड़ गया रे,
छम्मा छम्मा ए छम्मा
लेके परदेसी दिल उड़ गया रे।
छम्मा छम्मा ए छम्मा 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 ए छम्मा छम्मा।
तेरी नींदें चुरा लूं छम्मा छम्मा।
देखा देखी दिल मेरा जुड़ गया रे,
छम्मा छम्मा ए छम्मा छम्मा।
अखियां मिलाओ कभी अखियां चुराओ, क्या तूने किया जादू। हाँ अखियां मिलाओ कभी अखियां चुराओ, क्या तूने किया जादू। अखियां मिलाओ कभी अखियां चुराओ, क्या तूने किया जादू। कभी घबराओ कभी गले लग जाओ, मेरा खुद पे नहीं काबू। बिना पायल के ही बजे घुंघरू, बिना पायल के ही बजे घुंघरू।
अखियां मिलाए कभी अखियां चुराए, क्या मैंने किया जादू। अखियां मिलाए कभी अखियां चुराए, क्या मैंने किया जादू। कभी घबराए कभी गले लग जाए, तेरा खुद पे नहीं काबू। बिना पायल के ही बजे घुंघरू, बिना पायल के ही बजे घुंघरू।
आ
न कर, तुझको कसम इनकार न कर। देखा जब तुझको ठहर गया मैं, ऐसी ही अदाओं पे तो मर गया मैं।
अखियाँ मिलाऊं कभी अखियाँ चुराऊं, क्या तूने किया जादू? अखियाँ मिलाऊं कभी अखियाँ चुराऊं, क्या तूने किया जादू? कभी घबराऊं कभी गले लग जाऊं, मेरा खुद पे नहीं काबू। बिना पायल के ही बजे घुंघरू, बिना पायल के ही बजे घुंघरू। आ आ आ आ आ आ
मेरी जाने जाना क्या चीज है तू, मुझको तो जान से अजीज है तू।
कितनी न कर तारीफ मेरी, जानू मैं तो जानू चाहत क्या तेरी।
तेरी उल्फत का नशा छा गया, कुछ भी हो जाने जा मजा आ गया।
धीरे धीरे दुनिया से दूर हुई, इश्कों में तेरे में तो चूर हुई।
अखियाँ मिलाए कभी अखियाँ चुराए, क्या मैंने किया जादू? हे अखियाँ मिलाए कभी अखियाँ चुराए, क्या मैंने किया जादू? कभी घबराए कभी गले लग जाए, तेरा खुद पे नहीं काबू। बिना पायल के ही बजे घुंघरू, बिना पायल के ही बजे घुंघरू।
अखियाँ मिलाऊं कभी अखियाँ चुराऊं, क्या तूने किया जादू? अखियाँ मिलाऊं कभी अखियाँ चुराऊं, क्या तूने किया जादू? कभी घबराऊं कभी गले लग जाऊं, मेरा खुद पे नहीं काबू। बिना पायल के ही बजे घुंघरू, बिना पायल के ही बजे घुंघरू।
बिना पायल के ही बजे घुंघरू।
बिना पायल के ही बजे घुंघरू। आ आ आ आ आ
हसीनों का मेला, मेले में ये दिल अकेला। हो दुनिया हसीनों का मेला, मेले में ये दिल अकेला। एक दोस्त ढूंढता हूँ मैं दोस्ती के लिए, एक दोस्त ढूंढता हूँ मैं दोस्ती के लिए। एक दोस्त ढूंढता हूँ मैं दोस्ती के लिए। हो यहाँ वहाँ इधर उधर चेहरे हैं कितने हंसी, मगर जहाँ रुके नजर सूरत वो देखी नहीं। यहाँ वहाँ इधर उधर चेहरे हैं कितने हंसी, मगर जहाँ रुके नजर सूरत वो देखी नहीं। वो हुस्न ढूंढता हूँ मैं आशिकी के लिए। दुनिया हसीनों का मेला, मेले में ये दिल अकेला। एक दोस्त ढूंढता हूँ मैं दोस्ती के लिए। एक दोस्त ढूंढता हूँ मैं दोस्ती के लिए। अदा नशा नजर बदन सब कुछ तेरे पास है, मगर तू वो घटा नहीं जिसकी मुझे प्यास है। अदा नशा नजर बदन सब कुछ तेरे पास है, मगर तू वो घटा नहीं जिसकी मुझे प्यास है। एक जाम ढूंढता हूँ मैं कशीम के लिए। दुनिया हसीनों का मेला, मेरे में ये दिल अकेला। एक दोस्त ढूंढता मेरे प्यार का रस जरा चखना, ओए मखना, ओए मखना, ऐसे तो चुरा अब अखना, ओए मखना, ओए मखना।
मेरे प्यार का रस जरा चखना, ओए मखना, ओए मखना, ऐसे तो चुरा अब अखना, ओए मखना, ओए मखना।
हम तो तेरे कायल हैं, तेरी चाहत में घायल है, न ऐसे हमको छोड़ के जा।
तेरे प्यार का रस नहीं चखना, ओए मखना, ओए मखना, मेरा दिल तेरे पास ही रखना, ओए मखना, ओए मखना। तेरे प्यार का रस नहीं चखना, ओए मखना, ओए मखना, मेरा दिल तेरे पास ही रखना, ओए मखना, ओए मखना। मैं तो हूँ कुड़ी मतवाली, तेरे हाथ न आने वाली, दीवाने दिल को जाके समझा।
मेरे प्यार का रस जरा चखना, ओए मखना, ओए मखना, ऐसे तो चुरा अब अखना, ओए मखना, ओए मखना।
चल हट पर हट अरे पगले दीवाने अब कर मुझे तंग ना, यूं ही तड़पाऊं तेरी बाहों में ना आऊं मैं तो चलूं तेरे संग ना। चल हट पर हट अरे पगले दीवाने अब कर मुझे तंग ना, यूं ही तड़पाऊं तेरी बाहों में ना आऊं मैं तो चलूं तेरे संग ना।
अरे नखरे ना कर दीवानी, लिख मेरी प्रेम कहानी।
ए नखरे ना कर दीवानी, लिख मेरी प्रेम कहानी, के चूम लूं मेरे पास तो आ।
तेरे प्यार का रस नहीं चखना, ओए मखना, ओए मखना।
ऐसे तो चुरा अब अखना, ओए मखना, ओए मखना।
एक चिंगारी में हूँ कन्याकुमारी, मुझे ऐसे तो पकड़ना, मानूंगी ना ऐसे बड़े देखे तेरे जैसे, अरे इतना अकड़ना। हाँ हाँ, एक चिंगारी में हूँ कन्याकुमारी, मुझे ऐसे तो पकड़ना, मानूंगी ना ऐसे बड़े देखे तेरे जैसे, अरे इतना अकड़ना।
चाहूंगा चाहूंगा तुझे मैं जितना, कोई चाहेगा ना उतना।
हाँ चाहूंगा तुझे मैं जितना, कोई चाहेगा ना उतना।
हसीना आ गले से लग जा।
तेरे प्यार का रस नहीं चखना, ओए मखना, ओए मखना, मेरा दिल तेरे पास ही रखना, ओए मखना, ओए मखना। मैं तो हूँ कुड़ी मतवाली, तेरे हाथ न आने वाली, दीवाने दिल को जाके समझा।
हाँ, मेरे प्यार का रस जरा चखना, ओए मखना, ओए मखना, ऐसे तो चुरा अब अखना, मुझे सीने से लगा, किस्मी आजा।
नजरें मिली दिल धड़का, मेरी धड़कन ने कहा लव यू राजा।
डम डम डडी डम डम डडी डम डम डडी डम
डडी डम डम डडी डम डम डडी डम डम डडी डम
डा डा डी डा डा।
डडी डा। अब रात दिन दिल भर मेरा मेरे करीब होगा, सबसे हंसी सबसे जुदा मेरा नसीब होगा। अब रात दिन दिल भर मेरा मेरे करीब होगा, सबसे हंसी सबसे जुदा मेरा नसीब होगा।
मिलके किया हमने ये फैसला, हम कभी भी न होंगे जुदा। हम जो मिले तो आया हंसी मौसम प्यार का, किस्मी आजा।
नजरें मिली दिल धड़का, मेरी धड़कन ने कहा लव यू राजा।
जादू कोई छाने लगा, मुझको मजा आने लगा। बस में नहीं है अरमां मुझे सीने से लगा, किस्मी आजा।
नजरें मिली दिल धड़का, मेरी धड़कन ने कहा लव यू राजा।
किस्मी आजा,
लव यू राजा।
किस्मी आजा।
5 years on the East Coast, it was time to go home.
What's up? Carl is sweet.
What's up, sweet? What you want?
His mama. She's dead, bro. Passenger, show us your hand. Stop. Get down on your knees. Now down on your stomach. There you go.
I'll take that, Hernandez.
Hey, that's my paper, man. That's money.
This is drug money.
It's my money, man.
Hey, don't worry about it. I'll fill it out later.
Welcome home, Carl. Glad to be back. You haven't forgotten about us, have you, boy?
Hell no, Officer Tenpenny. I was just wondering what took y'all so long.
Get in the car.
Ease up, man. Damn.
Watch your head.
Ah.
Oh, my bad.
Get out of here, you greaseball bastard! Stupid Mexican. Oh, hey, sorry.
My bag. Hey, man, my bag.
How you been, Carl? How's your wonderful family?
I'm here to bury my moms. You know that.
Yeah, I guess I do. So what else you got shaking, Carl?
Nothing. I live in Liberty City now. I'm clean. Legit.
Nah, you ain't never been clean, Carl.
Well, what do we got here?
This is a weapon, Officer Pulaski, that was used to gun down a police officer not 10 minutes ago. Officer Pendlebury. A fine man, I might add. You work fast, nigga.
You know I just got off the plane.
Well, that's a good thing we found you and retrieved the murder weapon.
That ain't my gun.
Don't bullshit me, Carl.
Yeah, don't bullshit him, Carl.
What the fuck you want from me this time?
When we want you, we'll find you. In the meantime, try not to gun down any more officers of the law.
Y'all can't leave me here. This baller's country.
I thought you said you was innocent, Carl. But you don't bang.
This is car 58.
See you around like a donut,
What?
Carl.
Officer Pendlebury's down. We'll be right over.
See Hernandez?
Oh, shit. Here we go again. Worst place in the world. Rolling Heights baller country. Now, I ain't represented Grove Street in 5 years, but the ballers won't give a shit.
I put in more work than any man.
Come on, ladies, get lost.
Of course I'm wasted.
People X. That's got to mean something, but we don't know what.
Mikey, where are you? Ha! You can't see me. My invisibility cloak is on. Oh, Mikey, stop drawing pentagrams on all the doors.
It's the fancy game that's sweeping the country, the Cavern of Sorrow. Learn about our exciting history and have fun, too.
I'm a holy warrior on a quest. I'll kill you if you don't believe like I do. You can't beat me, stupid. I'm invisible. I got invisibility singing classes, dumbass. Lord Zad the Wizard gave them to me. Remember our adventure at Gash Canyon?
Boom!
Grove Street. Home. At least it was before I fucked everything up.
My sword. Oh, no, you won't. I haven't...
See me? Stop it! What are you doing, Carl? Ryan, stop it!
Quit it. Moms are here.
Mom, they're up to something.
You picked the wrong house, fool!
Hey, hey, Big Smoke. It's me, Carl. Chill, chill.
CJ. Oh, my dog! What's up? Hey, baby. You okay, man?
Nah, man. It's my mom's, homie.
Hey, I don't know why this had to happen, but I promise you, I'm gonna find out who killed your moms. The streets is cold, dog. Like it says in the book, we are blessed and cursed.
What fucking book?
Same things make us laugh, make us cry. But right now, we gotta take care of our business. Go see your brother at the cemetery. Come on, let's bounce. You wanna drive?
Yeah, that's cool. Nice car, Smoke.
You know me. It's not cut. Keep the value in it. Keep it real. I miss you these 5 years, man. They're gonna be real happy to see you. Hey, what's up, y'all? Look who I found hanging around.
Carl, hey, good to see you.
I can't believe she gone, man.
That's another funeral you ran away from, fool. Just like Brian's.
Hey, she was my mama, too.
Not for the past 5 years, she wasn't, nigga. And where the fuck you think you going?
What? Get out my face. I'm going to see Caesar.
The hell you are, girl. You ain't messing with them essays. You know we beefed it. They ain't nothing but a
Look,
bunch
I
of
love
lowlife.
women. What the fuck are you?
At least I got principles.
Oh, and I guess that makes you an upstanding American. Carl, tell him.
Carl, don't tell me shit,
As long
bitch.
as he treat her right, disrespect you, and he did.
How the hell you gonna say that? Like it's any business of yours.
Fuck you, sweet.
Oh, shit.
Asshole.
Here we go again.
This shit's real fucked up. Everything.
What you mean?
What, apart from your mother being dead? Things are going real bad. Here, let me show you, Running Man. Tony's buried over there. Little Devil over there. And Big Devil over there. Man, it's just crazy. Everybody blasts on fools first, then ask questions second.
Ballers! Drive-by! Incoming!
Oh, motherfucker, my car! We gotta get back to the hood, man. It's too crazy around here. Grab a bike and pedal. Either you ain't forgotten that. Follow my lead.
Hold it, don't hit me.
Takes you back some, huh, CJ? Yeah.
Things has changed around here.
CJ, watch your back around here, man.
How I get so bad? I thought this was family's turf.
Yeah, it's Temple Drive family. We don't roll with them no more. Move it, CJ, move it! Shit, a baller's car's onto us. Split up.
Keep up, motherfucker! You just a liability, CJ. Why you bother coming back?
Straight back into the game, right, dog? Was it this bad before you left? East Coast got you all thinned out, home.
I got a good fare here. Still have some reflex.
What up, Bo?
Move it, CJ. You embarrassing us, nigga.
Come on, CJ. You can't keep up with the fat man.
Me, perpetrator.
I got with them motherfuckers, though. Showed them niggas who's gangster. Rider, nigga.
So when you leaving, Carl?
I ain't sure. Thought I might stay. Things is fucked up.
Well, the last thing we need is your help.
Ah, man, I won't let you down. I swear.
Hey, we gonna call some hood rats and chill the hell out. You want some?
I got a whole lot going on. I'm tired. I'll catch y'all later.
Hey, yo, just drop in. We all hanging out.
Gia, and get yourself some colors, fool. And a haircut. It's embarrassing to be seen with you.
Nice to meet you.
Hello?
Hey, thought I'd explain some shit.
Sweet. Hey, what's up?
Since you've been away, shit has changed around here. Grove Street families ain't big no more. Seville Boulevard families and Temple Drive families are beefing and split with the Grove. Now we so busy, Set Trip and Ballers and Vagos have taken over. So watch your stuff out there.
Yeah, I hear you. Thanks for the heads up.
Don't mention.
Hey, man, what you want?
Seeing my homie. What's up with you?
Yeah, homie. Yeah, it's good to see you back.
No homie love? No hug?
Oh, for sure, my nigga. My bad. What's cracking with you?
Hey, man, what you strapped for?
Man, some pizza place keeps paying over our hit up, man. Shit is beautiful. Teach the owner a lesson. Fucking Grove Street. You down?
I'm always down.
Let's go, bitch. Hey, show me how they drive on the East Coast, homie.
Hey, old Reed still run the barbershop?
Like a raggedy-ass motherfucker. He popped his membrane years ago. The way I let that old fool in my head.
Yeah, I think I'll get cut up.
Whatever. You got 5 minutes? I'll be cutting you like a DJ. So when you running off again?
I'm not. I'm thinking of staying.
Why?
My family, the homies is here.
We were always here, fool.
Yeah, but now I'm back, and I know what I've been missing.
Don't expect me to kiss your ass or nothing. You still a buster to me.
Yeah, okay. Thanks, homie.
Yeah, don't mention it.
Come on, CJ, take a seat. Guess you want some newfangled style. Hope you stick around longer this time.
Don't make me repeat myself. Move!
Got that fool. Set him up.
Sit down, CJ. I can do all the modern styles, too. Look at you, all grown up and shit. Tell Big Smoke he needs a cut.
You know something? I take it back. Old Reese still got it cracking. Man, what's this? Shit look ridiculous. No respect for the hood. All clean as shit. You looking too skinny, CJ. I wanna get us something to eat. I'm gonna finish this, then I'm gonna take care of business.
What would you like, sir? Watch it, it's hot.
Give up the money. This a raid.
Ryder, not this again.
It ain't me, fool.
No one else is that small. I feel sorry for your dad.
Shit, you crazy. Let's get up out of here.
Same old CJ. Buster. Straight Buster. Oh, shit! Run!
This pizza parlor's no pushover.
What you waiting for, fool? Take us back to the Grove, motherfucker.
Oh, man.
Radio Los Santos, like I told y'all, the Lynch Mob Gorillas in the list. One of my favorite records. Check it out, you're tuned into the home of gangster rap. The place the music breaks and the stories break. Of course, it's Radio Los Santos. We're the sound of the street, man. So make sure you keep it locked, because we keep it real. We get the music first before anybody gets it. We lock to the streets. Don't hit that dial, fool. Not when I'm about to play a record like this one. It's only on Radio Los Santos. NWA, always in the sun.
Better drop by and see Sweet. He's been yapping on about that graffiti, too. Later, homie.
I put in more work than any man.
Come on, fat boy.
Watch out, fool.
Come on, fat boy.
Watch this,
Fat
watch
boy,
this.
look who's here. It's Running Man. What, you think you back on the set?
I told you that, bruh.
Your word don't mean shit around here.
Come on, man. Give me a break.
We gotta go hit up the hood.
Hey, CJ.
Let them know you back on the set. The Johnson brothers is rolling again. Take this paint and go hit shit up. Start with our own set first.
Later on, we spread out, take the whole hood back.
You already spreading out, fat man. Let's play. Let's see what you got, Pork Chop. Hey, wait up.
Ah, thought you hang with your brother, huh?
Oh, ease up, little man. Come on. It's been difficult. You want to drive?
Yeah, for sure.
DJ, I warned your ass.
Don't stop now, honey, get down. That's it, that's it. Don't fight the feeling.
Watch for those rollers as I tag this up. There's another 2 baller tags in the hood. You go get them, and I'll keep the engine running. Don't push me. Come on, let's cruise into ballers territory. Man, you gotta ease up some. Man, what is your problem? You hit this up here, and I'll go up and do another hood. the fuck? Get that fool!
Schedule 1037 in East Los Santos. Suspect last seen on foot.
Get ready for a real cold lesson. I don't need backup to whoop your ass. I'm about to contribute to your delinquency.
Carl, quick, get in!
Right all over my sleeve.
Hey, is all of that you?
Get us back to the hood, CJ. I ain't gonna say I told you so. You always crashing, CJ.
They need to put some chairs out of
CJ, I'm gonna give you a lesson.
Who the hell?
Like riding bike, ain't it, boy?
Yeah, it all comes back.
How you doing on the Fetty?
I'm kinda short, you know. Crash took all my paper, man. Left me with nothing but small change.
Here, get yourself a beer or something. I'll catch up with you.
I sure am.
Hey, you gotta keep it real, man.
Man, nobody give a shit about the hood.
I do.
All they do is sell yay and ruin the place. No crack ever made a gang type.
I don't know, man.
What's up, y'all?
What's up, CJ?
What's crack?
Man, all they care about is smoking and money.
You can't knock a homie's hustle, sweet.
Them marks ain't soldiers. They idiots trying to be businessmen.
Yeah, but they down with us, man.
All they down with is money. CJ, go down there and show these fools you mean business. These chumps from the ballers are sweating the homies. Go put pressure on them. Let's do it.
We've been putting time in the hood, but we gotta get the homies back together. Like the old days.
Yeah, you right. So you and Ryder gonna handle your business. Man, they're slang to their own mama. They don't care about nothing.
You're naive, my friend. We gotta keep our focus.
We need some backup. You seen Beat Up?
But him and the homeboy Bear, they good to have on our side.
Oh, Big Bear? Yeah, them bass slangers gonna be sorry now.
Hey, Beat Up is only a couple of blocks away.
The hood's all messed up, huh?
Glen Park, that's
Yeah, you try to get any of these crackheads to help you out.
No wonder the families ain't up on it.
Apart from Smoke, Sweet, and you know yours truly. Grove Street don't bang no more.
Yeah, just get blown.
For sure.
Do something meaningful. Support the community.
Hey, slow down, fool. You don't even know which store it is.
Whatever, man. This it?
Yeah, this it right here.
Open up! You sure he still live here?
Fool, I told you this it.
Open up!
Who the fuck is it? CJ, the fuck you want? Get the fuck out of here.
Wait, hold up, man. What happened to For Life, nigga?
The only thing that matters is the hood, homie. But you'll never understand what getting this money is like. You know what, man? Get the fuck out of here before you be laying on your back. Big Bear, come check this fool.
Hey, Bear? Big Bear, that's you? Hey, you still from the hood, homie, or
Nah,
what?
the only thing Bear give a fuck about is smoking and keeping my house clean. Ain't that right, Big Bear?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, what?
Hell yeah, sir.
Now go make that motherfucking toilet spark.
No, man.
Man. Bear, come on.
Everyone likes to party sometimes, CJ. I'll see you around.
Stay the fuck from around here, punk.
Hey, nigga, fuck you.
Damn. shit's fucked up.
I see what you mean now, man. If Crack can do that to Big Bear, turn him into a base slave, the average motherfucker ain't got a chance.
Damn dope fiends and drug addicts everywhere in the city. Piss me off.
Look like it's up to us then.
Let's just cruise through the hood and find us somebody selling.
Refinance.
Hey, Buster, wait up!
Nigga push your cleaners around.
Is your aftershave made from feces?
Get out my face! Don't you bust on me!
Do you shower in doo-doo? I gotta meet some very important record people.
Hey, check it out. Somebody's selling to one of the homies.
Get out, you little bitch.
Hey, partner, I'm working, man. What you need? What you need, dog? Dog, I got quality shit right here.
Ooh.
Man, I know this cat. He a punk used to run with a front yard baller OG from Idlewood. I know his place. It's just across the tracks there. Let's check it out.
Hey, ain't that front yard turf?
Man, are you a buster?
Nah, I'm down, homie.
Hey, grab hold of that bat over there.
Man, we on a serious mission now.
Man, don't sweat it, homie. Everybody in the hood know ballers are pussies.
Let me hit that. Go up here and see my brother in the pen.
Ooh-wee! Man, you can smell a crack den a mile away.
Yeah, let's shoot through and introduce ourselves.
Good afternoon, baller dope pushers. Grove Street OGs come to do damage.
Fuck them Grove Street fools. Grove Street going down.
Ninja these motherfuckers.
Weird motherfuckers.
Ah. You can't take the ball. Hey, fool, you ever had a speed? What the hell you want, Mark? Trying to start some shit, Mark.
Oh, yeah. Don't block me, homie.
Look out, Square!
Now ballers know Grove Street families on their way back up.
For sure, homie. And what's more, you ain't even run out on me.
I keep my man dripping into cop jewelry.
Time's changing.
Oh man, they gonna be mad at us.
And I'll warn the gang later. For now, let's just bask in the silence of victory, motherfucker.
Let's move on.
jagoffs. All the weeds. Listen to the Funktipus. Make sure you vote.
Now that the bass ain't getting pushed up in their faces, maybe these fools should be up for some real banging.
Yeah, Grove gonna get back on his feet now, for sure, though.
Later, homie.
What's happening with you, Ryder?
Respect has to be earned, sweet, just like money.
So what you saying? You don't respect me?
What I'm saying is,
Speak up, nigga.
I'm hungry.
Ah, man, shit. Hey, what's
Man
going
cannot
on?
live on bread alone. I know. I tried that shit. Carl, you look a little thin, man. You gotta be hungry, man.
Yeah,
Man,
I
what
could
you
eat.
fools trying to eat?
That's
What about
wrong.
some tacos?
Tacos again? Hell no.
Chicken, man. No
Man,
discussion.
I don't want no chicken.
Carl, you dry. Smoke look like he gonna pass out.
Right over here, baby.
Hey, I saw her first. Come on.
How moms get killed? We gotta talk about it.
We all gotta talk about it. They was going for sweet.
How you supposed to know that? You know what people are like. Say they have love for you, but won't say a word. Too damn scared.
Some people say they saw a green Saber doing the work, then speeding away.
Yeah, but people like to talk, don't they? Anyway, that's half of Santos you talking about.
Yeah, you right. My bad.
Your mama must be proud of your
sprayed the
driving,
house.
fool.
I ain't seen shit. CJ, I
CJ, you
warned
is
you.
such a fool.
All right, fuck, man. Everybody out.
Respect has to be earned, sweet, just like money.
So what you saying? You don't respect me?
What I'm saying is,
Speak up, nigga.
I'm hungry.
Ah, man, shit. Hey, what's
Man
going
cannot
on?
live on bread alone. I know. I tried that shit. Carl, you look a little thin, man. You gotta be hungry, man.
Yeah,
Man,
I
what
could
you
eat.
fools trying to eat?
That's
What about
wrong.
some tacos?
Tacos again? Hell no.
Chicken, man. No
Man,
discussion.
I don't want no chicken.
Carl, you dry. Smoke look like he gonna pass out.
How moms get killed? We gotta talk about it.
We all gotta talk about it. They was going for sweet.
How you supposed to know that? You know what people are like. Say they have love for you, but won't say a word. Too damn
Fantastic,
scared.
you hit.
Some people say they saw a green Saber doing the work, then speeding away.
Yeah, but people like to talk, don't they? Anyway, that's half of Santos you talking about.
Yeah, you right.
Can I take your order, please?
Carl, what do you want? You gotta eat to keep your strength up, man.
Hey, I'll take a number 9. Fat boy.
Give me a number 9, just like his.
Let me get a number 6 with extra dip.
I'll have 2 number 9s, a number 9 large, a number 6 with extra dip, a number 7, 2 number 45s, 1 with cheese, and a large soda.
Hey, sorry, bruh. You know I gotta know about mom.
I know, CJ, I know. I'm just trying not to think about it, is all. I mean, I didn't even know she was hit until it was all over.
Yeah, right. Let's eat.
Hey, don't we got beef around here? We been getting into it with these fools.
I can't stand cold food. Unlike you, I ain't never ate from a trash can.
Oh, shit. Trash can bitch.
Pass me my food.
Hey, look. Kilo Trey scoping us out.
Damn, Ryder, you a jinx.
Shit, them motherfuckers headed to the hood.
Drive-by! Let's roll!
Go to hell.
Hit it, go! Hit the gas, we gotta ice these niggas.
Why you ain't black?
Appreciate that.
I'll shoot him when I'm done eating.
Quit stuffing your motherfucking mouth. Let's go.
Stab out of here,
Stuff it,
CJ.
homie. I'm enjoying my meal. Hey, kill that asshole!
Man, what is your problem? Move it,
Smoke,
CJ.
stop stuffing your face and start popping them balls.
I'm trying to enjoy my food. And those fools are trying to enjoy our death. Speed up a little, Smoke. Shoot!
Hey, I'm just finishing my fry. My special.
Oh shit, you got ketchup all over the seat.
The business at hand, motherfucker. The business at hand.
But these was clean pants.
Pee on the front door of your office. Just see if anybody thinks of coming near you.
Thanks,
CJ, watch the damn road.
Chill, motherfucker. This ain't a Sunday drive situation.
My soda, it's all over the fucking
Let's
floor.
go. Well, you can suck it up once we're done. Now keep your eyes on the baller car.
And fluff on the beach. It's me. What is love? It's me. Beauty.
Stab out of here, CJ.
Shine. Helmet shine. Helmet shine is a fantasy. Shine is a spectacle. Helmet shine is you. If you desire.
Move it, CJ.
What is love? The space between your ears. Advertising on beaches. Shine. Let the chill. Tomorrow. I'm the white one. You may dream, but I can shine.
Up next on WCTR, it's the Man Coaches Hate.